Yeah, I just wanted to show you that light I was talking about. This is it here. It's got a gooseneck on it. And you just make an adapter for it. What I did here was I put an extension on my my switch, so I don't have to reach back all the time. I got it right here in front instead of way here in back. Mostly because I'm left-handed and I'm always on the right side of the machine, and I'm trying to reach up here, and I can just reach it right here instead of reaching all the way back here. So what I got there is just a piece of aluminum, and there's a little block here and a 3/8 universal joint here. And then this cover fits over the switch, so you're not messing up the handle or anything. It just fits over it. But yeah, this is the light. I've had this one on here for probably over a year. And this is the same power supply. Okay. Okay, so here we put it all together. I made a cover for that encoder, and then I put a little baggie over it just to be sure. And I got the adapter mounted, just slipped right in there, put the nut on it. Now this handle comes off after I put the unit on the machine. So we got the cover on the front, got the belt attached, got the switch slash brake slash reader here. Yeah, we got a little behind on the jobs here. I'm running CNC over there, running these parts. Got 100 of these. They're like little T-nuts, stainless steel. We got this job back. Got 10 of these. We got 3 here. Got 5 on the shelf, and I don't know where the other 2 are. They're around here somewhere. But yeah, we got a lot going on. Just got a delivery. I don't know what that is. I just took that off the truck. Somebody ordered something. But anyway, yeah, this is that piece I was talking about in the back. I put the slots in it, and I added the 1 extra. Before it was 2, now you got 3. So we're good to go on this thing as soon as we get done running these parts over here. Yeah, machine stops when it gets to the tap. I got to put oil on the tap. Yeah, now we got to change them. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.